Hello everybody, just a little quick notice. I'm gonna be redoing this video here because I'm gonna redo the video and I'm gonna redo my boxing video of the stuff that I got from CNX and entertainers so you guys can have a better frame. Have a good day, y'all. Everybody, I hope this video is an improvement compared to the last unboxing, but let's do it. So, got this from entertainers. Here's the look of the car. Plan to get more of these from entertainers, or you can get it from Hartford. Peter Pan, Disney's classics. Let's unbox it, shall we? This is the front. This is the back. Disc 1, disc 2. Here's a coloring cars and then some other characters. Yeah, so we got Tinkerbell, and there's some, well, sorry guys, let me put this phone down. There we go. 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 Oh. There we go. And there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Disc 1. Oh. Disc 1. Disc 2. I rate this toy car a 9 out of 10. This DVD and its design 9.5. Oh, and also I got these wait, let me show you. These badges from WH Waterstones, but there are more in my backpack. Let me find them. Here's another one about their book of the year. a Scooby, which it goes with my mystery machine and all the toys that are in my mystery machine. I'll do a video tomorrow based on those. And my Mickey Mouse keychain. I had a Bugs Bunny one, but I have to get that one again until that guy, the Sikh guy restores them. But other than that, those are all the videos. Yeah, this is my Arriva thing where I had a trouble with bus ticket. Here's my refund. This is the £2 ticket. This is the CNX and entertainers thing. And CNX again. So yeah. Oh. And my receipt for getting a little bit of snacks. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you won't miss another upload. And here's my bag. It's going down. Please Patreon, I'll start posting on there. Kick, Instagram and TikTok, and also check out my second channel for my games and reactions. My games from my Kick will be streaming on there. I was just on a call with my friend. I'm gonna call her back. Yeah. Have a good day, y'all. Bye.